What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel iSosa. It's your boy Sosa. Now, in today's video, I'm going to talk about top 7 programming language you need to learn in 2021 to get a job without having a college degree. It's coming up right now. Don't go nowhere. Welcome back, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this on the channel. On this channel, I post videos about coding content, coding tutorial, coding info, and lots more. And if you're a fellow subscriber to the channel, thank you for always coming back to watch new videos like this on the channel. Now, the topic of today's video is actually top 7 programming language to learn in 2021 to get a job without having a college degree. Yeah, I'm actually going to rank this language based on 3 factors: its learning curve, the job market, and lastly, the productivity of production. Actually, what that means is that how fast can you develop applications or web apps with these languages. Okay, let's get to it. At number 7, we have PHP. Yeah, PHP, the hypertext processor monster. I've actually been around for a very long time. People have been using the language for a very long time. Actually been used in many backend development for many websites, e.g. powerful websites like WordPress, Wikipedia, Tumblr, Slack. All just make use of PHP. Even Facebook itself makes use of PHP. So PHP is definitely a very good language to start learning in 2021. It's learning curve. Or how hard is it? Is it difficult? Is it that very difficult to learn? I won't actually say yes, but PHP is very simple to pick up. It's actually very fast to develop applications with, because I've been around for a very long time. The commits for PHP are still very large. So definitely PHP is a very good language to start learning in 2021. And you can see, according to Indeed.com, its average base salary is $68,740. Note, this price varies for different countries or states, wherever you may live. So this is actually just according to Indeed.com. The average base salary for an entry PHP developer in the United States is $68,740. So you can only learn PHP 21. It's actually a very good language to start it to start up with. Many people actually say that PHP is dead, it's very old, it's not being used frequently. Yeah, actually, there's some truth to that, but I can't really say PHP is dead entirely, because PHP is actually deep rooted in the internet. Many big time web services make use of PHP, and actually for freelancers, one of the most wanted programming language on freelance, like according to Upwork.com. I don't have a tab to show proof of that, but you can actually check it out. PHP is actually very wanted and it's very good for freelancers, so definitely check out PHP. And at number 6, we have Swift programming language. Yeah, Swift programming language. If I'm actually going to go for the iOS development route, you can actually pick up Swift programming language. Yeah, I want to create an application for like iPhone, Apple devices. Swift programming is definitely a good route to go. It's used by big companies like Robinhood, Uber, Slack, Lyft, and so much more. Even Pinterest using Swift. So its learning curve is not that it's not very simple to learn, but it's you can pick it up with just sheer time and effort. So Swift is actually a very good programming to learn. Its syntax is not actually very low. I can remember it has a similar system to the Objective-C programming language, but Swift definitely a good route for you to check out. You can actually create apps for it. It does a lot of other things too, but it's one of the main purposes actually for creating apps for iOS in iOS development. Create apps like Pinterest, like Slack, Uber, Netflix. You can create a Swift program, and it's very lucrative programming language, because an iOS developer actually they pay like hell. Actually make a lot of money. So you can see the base salary is $91,819. It actually varies for different companies and different states. So Swift coming up at number 6. Now at number 5, we have C++. Now C++ is actually a very nice and super fast programming language. I've been around for a long time. It's part of the C family, or we can call it superset of the C programming languages. Yeah, C++ programming language is actually a very good language to learn in 2021. Yeah, because one thing about C++ programming is very fast. It's durable and used for developing large applications usually like Microsoft, Facebook uses C++, Google. It's actually entrenched or deep rooted in most big tech companies. You can check, have in the world today. I think Google uses C++, Facebook uses C++, and one of the most big aspects of C++ is actually it's being used in the game development industry. Yeah, search and game engines like Unreal uses C++ for developing games, big time games like you see today. Assassin's Creed and so much games using C++. And only that C++ is extremely very fast. It's one thing about C++, very fast, and it's actually I think it's a low-level programming language. To make it, I think it's compiled at runtime, so it runs very fast. C++ is actually a very good programming language to learn in 2021, and its average base salary according to Indeed.com is $104,856. So C++ definitely check that one out. At number 4 we have number 5 number 5 7 6 5 yeah, number 4 we have C#. Yeah, C# actually part of the C family. C# programming is actually a very awesome programming language to learn. It's actually used by big companies like Microsoft, Facebook, NASA, Opera. So many big tech companies make use C#. Now C# actually been around for a long time. It's one of big competitor of Java. So C# and Java, like their syntax actually similar, not exactly the same but similar. C# actually is actually a very good programming language to learn in the year 2021 because I can't say super fast. C++ is actually faster than C#, but one big aspect of C# it's actually very used in game development, like the popular game engine called Unity game engine. So C# definitely a good language to check out in 2021. Its learning curve is not that very hard compared to C++. It's a bit, I can't say very hard, just a bit how do I put it? I can say it's a bit difficulty level is a bit high, but you can actually pick it up because if you learn C++, any other language is very easy for you. But for C#, its learning curve is a bit easier than that of C++ because if you know Java or even if you have any prior knowledge of Java, but it's similar to Java, it's just so how I put it, it's a most object oriented programming language. So it's easy to learn. It's not that very hard to learn. It's actually peaceful. And one thing about C# nowadays actually is the most VR or virtual reality games or software world. So C# definitely a good choice to learn. Its average base salary by Indeed.com is $116,530. So C# definitely check that one. At number 4, what do I say? At number 3, we have Java. Yeah, Java. Java development is actually a very big one in the year 2021. If you actually want to go the mobile development route or mobile application development route, Java is good for you. Actually, it's specifically used for Android development. It's actually used for a lot of other things too, used by Microsoft. It's used by name it. Java is used by Microsoft, Google, Facebook, AWS, Amazon Web Services, Uber, PayPal. So many. Java has actually been deep rooted. It's very old language too, but it's still being used frequently today. So Java is actually a very good programming way to learn. Its learning curve is not that very hard. It's similar to C#, so you can actually pick it up very easily in no time. Its battery base salary according to Indeed.com is $103,204. So Java, definitely check it out. And I'll tell you about Java is that because of its because it's been around for a very long time. The community about Java is very high, so you get a lot of community support. And going to Stack Overflow, a lot of questions being answered and problems solved by Java. So you're not alone. If you learn Java, actually get a lot of feedback and support for your project. So definitely check out Java. It's coming up at number 3. At number 2, we have Python is coming up at number 2. Python actually it's actually a very simple language. I can say one of the simplest languages in the whole stack of this list. But Python is very simple and it's very nice language to learn. It's simple, it's beginner friendly language. Definitely check out Python. Python is used by big tech companies like Amazon, Instagram, Twitter, Google, Facebook, Netflix, Uber. I can keep on going and going. It's quite a very big languages. Its syntax is simple and its learning curve is very easy to learn. Job market Python is very high, so its productivity, you can build up with Python very fast. In a matter of minutes, you can build up with Python. It has a very large stack of libraries or modules for you to work with your project. So Python is coming up at number 2, and according to Indeed.com, its average base salary is $110,757. $110,757. At number 1, we have JavaScript. JavaScript. JavaScript is a very nice programming language to learn in 2021. Actually, one of my favorites. I put that number 1. JavaScript number 1 to learn in 2021, and because it's actually entrenched everywhere. Open your eyes, made over JavaScript. No, that's a joke. Yeah, it's not made over JavaScript. It actually runs in your browser. It's a very good fast programming language to learn in 2021 because it's used for the backend and the front end. For the backend, the framework that just is Node.js. For the front end, React, Angular, and Vue.js. So JavaScript, definitely learn JavaScript in the year 2021. Apart from that, JavaScript is used everywhere. Like for mobile application, use React Native. For web development using framework, we have React, we have Angular, we have Vue, we have Svelte. You can for web application, you can go crazy. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, they actually go hand in hand. So you want to go to web development, you actually have to know how to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I know that JavaScript actually have one of the highest more demand in the job market. So for job market or freelance work, JavaScript is actually very, very high. I know that Python is to be number one, but JavaScript now it's actually even I can say it's actually beating Python in competition, because for job markets, just like everywhere, every company, every startup, every e-commerce store need JavaScript to run to build up their store or whatever they want to build out to sell their products. They need JavaScript. So JavaScript to learn 2021 is a very, very good choice for to learn. You actually pick up when you learn JavaScript, actually pick up either React, Angular, or Vue.js. So definitely check out JavaScript. According to Indeed.com, the average base salary for JavaScript is $112,000. $112,261. So definitely a very lucrative choice for 2021. JavaScript, actually, it was really my first language I learned before actually moving on to Python. So if you want to go with JavaScript, you can go with JavaScript. You can actually go with any of the 6 languages I mentioned before: Python, Java, Swift, C++, and PHP. So these are 7 good programming languages you can choose from in 2021. I hope you enjoy 2021. Please learn something in 2021. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you're not to the channel, thank you for listening back to my videos like this. Make sure to post content on this channel. Any requests you want to leave in the comment section down below. Please like this video so you can boost the channel, you can push up like the YouTube algorithm. So guys, see you in the next one.